Hello everyone. So Mark just took Callie for a little tour of the pool, and I thought I would show you a tour of our one bedroom at the Boardwalk Villas. So this is a DVC room. Just wanted to show it to you as a little room tour in case you were ever curious about staying here. I'm just gonna say, please pardon the appearance. We've been in a mask all day. We just got back from Hollywood Studios, but I wanted to do this prior to our luggage arriving. We did a split stay, one night at Art of Animation in the Little Mermaid Suites, and now we're here for the remainder of the week. So let me show you what you get when you stay at a one bedroom boardwalk villa. So when you enter, there's this lovely mirror that has a series of hooks, which is especially nice because these are lower, which means that if you're coming in less warm months, you could hang kids' coats here or kids' ponchos. And then there's a space for hanging here, even for towels. I also wanted to point out this huge closet. This is where you're gonna have like extra pillows and blankets. My guess is that there's a safe in here too. Oh, there's not, it's just cleaning supplies. But this is a great place to store your luggage and hang anything you need to hang that doesn't fit in your bedroom boudoir closet. You enter into the kitchen and living area. There's this little dining table right here. I don't like the yellowness of these shades, but I do like the shape of this light fixture. This is actually going to be Callie's room, so this couch fully pulls out. We have a flat screen TV and then a chest of drawers here. And of course there are enhanced safety protocols in 2021. The remote is coming in plastic baggies, and I'll show you the other protocols that they're talking about as well. We have this little breakfast bar nook area for additional seating, which I very much like. We did do some Amazon Prime Now orders, and I'll link that video above, but this is what the little kitchenette area looks like. Because it's a DVC room, it does come with like everything you might think you could use or need. So if you were planning on cooking in the room, you wouldn't really need to bring anything else with you. Of course, there's a coffee maker. We don't drink coffee. I really like this backsplash. I also like that these are clear so that you can see what you're getting inside. There is a range. Now I will say that in terms of updating, white appliances are not my vibe, but again, this is gonna be the first time we've really cooked, and when I say cook, I mean like heating up macaroni for Callie, because we're gonna be doing some takeout from Disney Springs. Is there anything up there? No. Which we've never done before, and I'm not sure is gonna be something that's offered. Callie was excited about the idea of having a refrigerator, like a full-size fridge, because at Art of Animation, they just have the typical hotel small ones, 5'2". So like this isn't a huge fridge, but it is definitely gonna get you through for vacation. Just gonna show you outside. So this is a first floor room, which we requested. We do have a little water view. And then there are two chairs out here that Mark and I fully plan to utilize when Callie is asleep. I think this tree is gorgeous. Yeah, I think this is really nice. It's a very wide end table. A phone. And again, this pulls out. Let me show you, these are the enhanced cleaning procedures. So door handles, pulls and knobs, light switches, basically any high touch surface. Bedding, which is comforting to know. And then all of the amenities are wrapped. It also has the layout of the room and then where those enhanced cleaning protocols take place. Now, call me crazy. One of my absolute favorite parts of a DVC resort is the washer and dryer. This means that I get to pack less pajamas, less masks, less socks, less undies. And then before we go home, we run loads so that way when we get home, our clothes are clean. So I know it's a silly amenity, but it is honestly one of my favorites. So from the dining and living space, this is on the left, this double stacker setup, we go into the bathroom. I think the fan is automatic. Okay, so the fan comes on with the light. There's this really lovely tiled walk-in shower with my favorite Disney products, the H2O products. Okay, Callie has already apparently used this. So sorry. Real life tour, just a little tinkle. And then there's this little vanity setup situation. Love this mirror. Oh, she got sunburned today. It's all part of the Disney experience. And I did put sunscreen on. Now this connects to what is my favorite room with the soaking tub. Now this is the master bathroom. This has, hello again, a bigger vanity, which is where I will be setting up my things. And then in here, it connects to quite a sizable walk-in closet. So there's hanging space, your safe is in here, you can put literally all of your suitcases in here, ironing board, laundry basket, like this is quite large. So between this and the front closet, I don't think you're going to have any storage issues at all. Ooh, and they have the light up mirror. Really allows you to get on in there. And then the soaking tub, which this is amazing. Love this. Oh, one moment, I think our luggage is here. Our luggage has arrived. Okay, I love to unpack in a hotel. I don't know if that's strange or not, but it makes me feel like I'm home and settling in. Love that. Okay, back to the tour. So, love a soaking tub. We'll definitely be using the jetties. I think Callie will like that. And then this opens into the master bedroom. So I'm gonna go around this side. This is a king size bed. Oh, too loud. But you can kind of tub, get some bubbles going. I brought some glow pals for Callie that she doesn't know about. And this is what the master bedroom looks like. There's extra storage in the drawers. This padded area, this comes out, I think this would be a great space for shoes. There's a full-length mirror here. Oh, hello. A really large TV. And this door is open. Oh, there goes the gentleman who brought our luggage. I'm gonna close this. I bet Mark opened this to take Callie on a little tour. And that's the property. I like the art. I love a white frame, but I love how the art goes with the theme of the boardwalk, especially like the old school boardwalk. It feels very Disneyland vibes to me. And yes, we're used to staying at the Contemporary or Bay Lake Tower where things are a little bit more updated, but the boardwalk also feels very capey. So Mark likes staying here because it kind of feels like home on vacation, if that makes any sense. But that's the one bedroom tour, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you when you're thinking about Disney hotels and where you'd like to stay and the space, amenities, etc. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and we will see you very soon. Bye, everybody.